Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So if you remember, about 3 weeks ago, I showed a video about the Grove Collaborative unboxing. So I want to show a review on the items that I have never tried so you guys, get a full review of how I really feel. So the first item I'm going to talk about is the Myers Room Freshener. It is honeysuckle scent. It is made without parabens, artificial colors, and phthalates. So this smells amazing. So I know it comes in different scents. So if you don't like honeysuckle, there's, I'm sure, lavender, all kind of other scents out there. But when I spray this in my house, oh my God, you guys, it smells so good. And it smells for like a while. So I'll spray downstairs, upstairs, and my entire house will smell beautiful. So if you've never tried this Myers Clean Dry, basically all natural vegan spray, honeysuckle, go try it out. If you don't want to order from Grove Collaborative, go buy it at Walmart, Target. I'm sure it's in those stores as well. Go try it. Now, my next item was the Ultra Soft Tissues. They are made out of bamboo. Again, these are tree-free products made with 100% sustainable bamboo. So, I didn't really need Kleenexes, so I just gave it a try. They're really soft. They're not as soft as your regular cotton Kleenexes, but to be saving some trees, why not? These aren't that bad. Let's see. Yeah, they're not bad at all. It's the most sustainable tissue ever. See that right there? Yeah. So yeah, it was worth a try. I didn't pay for it. Remember, I bought my set of stuff that I already use, and then I got these for free. So why not try it for free? So yeah, if y'all don't know anything about bamboo, try it out. Order from Grove. Maybe even try Amazon. They have a lot of bamboo products. I think even like Big Lots has bamboo products, tissue paper and stuff. So yeah, try it out. And lastly, the last particular product I will review is the Ceilings Promise. This was the bamboo toilet paper. I did use all of it already. I only had 4 rolls. I use a lot of toilet paper. But this, I would say it's okay. It is soft because when I felt it the first time, it was really soft. But when you go to use it, okay, so I would say on a scale of like types of toilet paper that you're used to using, it's definitely above Scotch. Scotch is that thin, that's going to scratch you a little bit. I don't like that. It's very thin. I like more of like the Angel Soft or the Charmin type feel, very soft. You want to be delicate. These, they weren't that delicate. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10 on softness, I would give it maybe like a 6 or a 7 out of, 1 out of 10. I would give it a 6 or 7. It's okay. It's not bad. But again, you're saving trees. So, if you want to do something healthy, save some trees, it's a little more durable, try them out. So those are the only 3 products I'm going to review for this week. Everything else that I bought, I've already used. The toothpaste, the toilet bowl cleaner, the dish soap. They are all magnificent. So if you haven't seen my last video, you can check those out so you can see what I bought. But other than that, I enjoyed all my products. Again, I got to try some free products. Why not? So if you want to join Grove, go ahead and check them out. They're only, I think, like a monthly, yearly, annual subscription. You don't have to buy from them monthly. You can unsubscribe that if you don't, or you can just do a free trial and see if you like it. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. Thank you guys again.